it's Brooke with Brookie's Cookies, and we're continuing Cookiepalooza 2020. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about separation anxiety as it relates to baking, because eggs are used in probably 85% of my cookies, and I learned the hard way how to separate an egg because a lot of people don't really do it the right way and they don't realize it. So the way I do it these days is just gently take the egg in one hand, and then you're going to use the momentum of a knife to give you a good crack, just like I did there. And then you gently open your egg and use the egg to separate it for you, and do it a bunch of times. The reason is that the white is actually very good to use. It's very important in many recipes that you have enough of the white and that you have a clean break from the yolk. And just put the yolk aside and then throw that into your sink, and there you have it. And I'm going to show you the way that most people currently might separate an egg, and then I'll tell you why this is not a good way. Go like this, open it up, and do this, and do this through your fingers. The reason why you shouldn't do this is that no matter how many times you wash your hands, there is bound to be some kind of dirt or something. This is not a very clean way to do it. So this is not recommended. And that is the lesson for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. I'm gonna go wash my hands now.